Good morning, students. Let's just start the class. Class 9, the English, and this is grammar. We are studying students. Tenses. We are practicing tenses, and this is lecture number 5. So, students, you all know that we have all completed our tenses and the uses basically which might occur in our exams in the forms of fill in the blanks, editing, omission, right, or the error finding. All are similar. These are just to judge your level of understanding the tenses, whether you have got it or not properly, and that you are able to judge that where the speaker is making mistake or the writer is making mistake, right? So what we need to do, students, yesterday you all were given assignments. Now today I want you all to be involved in the live class. Every one of you, you all must have done these sentences in your notebook. Some of the students sent me PDF or the photocopies of solved these exercises or the sentences where the error occurs. Some, I got 4 5 students. So I thought like I should discuss these all questions or the sentences with you people, like where we are making mistakes and how we are just dealing with this all, right? So see, students, you all just open your notebooks or books wherever you have just your solved these sentences so that you can tally. And I welcome to those students who want to participate actively. I want to see that whoever is there in the class who wants to just participate actively so that so that we can justify how many of you have worked on this, right? So up to this first and second sentence we completed yesterday. Let's go to the third sentence. Did he tell you why he hasn't come yesterday? Raise your hand if any one of you has done this. I am waiting for. Let's not wait much. If any one of you has done this, why it is because if you are practicing of the sentences, you should be able to judge where is the error, where is the mistake in the sentence. So no one, I think, has done it or no one has solved it. Whether the assignment was given to you people, this is the simple sentence, and in this you are unable to find out the error, right? So you all just need to see so that you can answer the questions in a proper manner, right? Not raising hand means not able to understand. No one is raising hand. It's okay. Let me just tell you, students. Did he tell you, sorry, why he hasn't come yesterday? So what do you get here, students? Let me just tell you. There is a question mark. I hope that you all can understand. Question mark is given in the end of the sentence. That means the sentence is in interrogative form. When the sentence is in interrogative form, the helping verb comes before subject and after WH word. Means this helping verb will come after Y and before he. Didn't he tell you why he hasn't come yesterday? Even this is wrong sentence, student, because yesterday is written here. When yesterday is written here, what we need to understand that the sentence is in the past, then this will go in the past because yesterday is there. So you can change this has into had. Why hadn't he come yesterday? First, this had will come after why and before he. Then, because yesterday is there, so we are going to use their past form of the tense. And had, this means past perfect is the past of past. You can see the first part, did he tell you, is the simple past, and why hadn't he come yesterday is the past of past, right? So you need to correct it out. You will put there hadn't before he and after why. That's enough. Let's just try to complete all the sentences today so that some of the students who are trying to solve, who tried to solve these, they can be helped, because individually that is not going to help you. So let's see next one. Last night I dreamed I was a sheikh on the 116th floor of Burj Khalifa. So just raise your hand. Who can tell me the error of this sentence? Raise your hand, students. Any one of you in the class. Either you are feeling shy that if you make any mistake or speak wrong, what would others think? That doesn't matter, students. The matter is how many of you are you practicing? If you are not raising hand, it clearly shows that you are not practicing. Vanshika. Okay, Vanshika, tell.
Last night I dreamed.
Dreamed. But good try, Vanshika. Really appreciate the effort you are doing. But something is missing actually. Something is missing. You just need to see. Another one is there. Let me
The
just
dad.
hold a minute, student. There is a technical problem. Five participants. Vanshika, good try. Simran, let's see what Simran says about this. Simran, unmute yourself and tell me the
Sir,
error of the sentence.
sir, sir, last night I dreamed that I was sheikh on the 169th floor.
Beta, you are also right, but
Of
somewhat you are wrong. What is the, now let's see, someone else is also raising hand. Now you will come to know where you are making mistake. Let's go to Somnath. All right, Somnath, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. So last night I dreamt. DREAMT.
D R E A M. What is the second
EMT.
and third form of it? Do you know this? Somnath, what you spoke? Spell it again. Somnath, listening? No problem. Well, they were good, but there was a little problem of dreamed. That is T, not D. DREAMT, dreamt. Because this is the past. Even Vani, this Vanshika and Simran, they were good, but the form, they might be saying dreamed. I might have got wrong. So students, you just need to put one thing there. You just need to write a second form of the verb here instead of dream, right? Next one is she and her sister were working here since 1983. Very good try. How many students are raising hand? Let's see. Simran, very good, Simran. Good try. All right.
sir, she and her sister have been working here since 1983.
Have
The
been.
error is in the B part.
And the error is okay. You detected error, that's okay. But the error is what? Have been or had been?
Sir, uh, been.
Why have been, Simran? Let's just ask another participant. Vanshika.
Sir, had been because there is verb.
Yes. Simran, just lower down your hands as you finish because I have to do and it takes a little time. When the question is asked, then even the Simran was right. The error was in B part. But what is the error? The error was were is in the past. So we are going to put there had been. She and her sister had been working here since 1983. Very good. You can read advance students. That's what I'm telling. Let's go to the next sentence. Nobody saw him since the fire broke in his locality. Students, we got this sentence and we practiced also. I suppose you can remember this when we were reading since. Nobody saw him since the fire broke in his locality. We practiced since. I suppose you remember since was there. And what were we using? Vani raised hand. Very good, Vani. Okay, tell Simran is going to tell first. Simran. Simran is the first to raise hand. Okay, Simran, come on.
Sir, nobody saw him when the fire broke in his locality.
What is the error?
Sir, since when?
Since when means?
Sir, since is the error, correct sentence would be nobody saw him when the fire broke in his locality.
So is already given, Simran. What should be changed here? Nobody saw him. It is already given. What change is there? Since the fire broke in his locality. Who else can tell? If you can try, come on, try. Students, try. Shristi is telling. Shristi.
The option A, nobody has seen him use, we can use since के स्थान पर हम simple past use करेंगे.
Correct. Very good. Shristi is good, students. She is correct actually. How it is? Nobody has seen him. So will be changed into has seen because after since we use the past indefinite and the rest of the part of the sentence will be in present perfect. So this will become nobody has seen him, right? Nobody has seen him will be the correct instead of nobody saw him, right? So let's go to the next sentence. Let's see how many of you work on this. By that time next year, Ramesh will take his degree. Very good. Srishti raised hand again. Very good, Srishti. Good try.
Option D, Ramesh will take. We can use the Ramesh will have taken.
Srishti, your sound is not clear.
Sir, I repeat. Option B, Ramesh will take. We can use there Ramesh will have taken.
Very good. That's correct. Very good, Srishti. Good practice. Will take will be changed into will have taken. By this time next year, Ramesh will have taken his degree. Very nice. Let's go to next sentence. The families are living in Gulmohar Park for the last 2 decades. How many students are participating? Let's see. What is the error in this sentence, students? Let's see who raises the hands first. The families are living in Gulmohar Park for the last 2 decades. Simran, very good. Simran is also very active. Good, Simran. Come on, tell what should be the answer. What is the error?
The families have been living in Gulmohar Park for the last 2 decades.
Very good. Very nice. Good.
Have been is the correct.
Correct. The error is in the B part. R will be changed into have been. Good. Very good, Simran. Bravo to you. Now lower down the hands. Let's go to the next sentence. My uncle has left for Bombay last Saturday. Let's see who goes for this. Simran once again. Simran is rocking hand. Okay, Simran, come on. What is the error?
My
Very good.
uncle had
Mhm.
my uncle had left for Bombay last Saturday.
Correct. Very nice. Correct. My
Had
uncle had left for Bombay last Saturday. There is a long past. Very good, Simran. Keep correcting students when there is a correction. Simran has given both the answers absolutely correct. Srishti is raising hand, but there is a one contradiction, students. This sentence can be in the simple past also. My uncle left for Bombay last Saturday. That will also be correct. Let's go to the next. Good heavens, how has she grown? Vani. All right. I will give chance to the first one who comes, then I'll go to the next one. Vani.
Sir, B is the error. How has she? We used before. Good
What?
heavens, before has she grown?
No, no, no. This is wrong. This is exclamatory sentence. Vani, you need to see this. Let's go to Lakshay. Lakshay. After Lakshay, there will be Mansi.
So the sentence will be, good heavens, how had she grown?
No way, man. That's going to be wrong. You need to just consider, dude. All right, let's go to the next one. We have with us Mansi. Mansi, come on.
Sir, the error is in the B part. How she has grown. There
Yeah.
should be.
How she has. Yes. Mansi is absolutely correct, students. You can clap for her by sitting at your place. Why it is? Because this is not the question. This is the simple statement. And this is the exclamatory sentence. Good heavens, how she has grown. When it is a question, then helping verb comes before subject and after WH. But when it is not a question, students, this helping verb will come after subject. All right, very good. Bravo to Mansi. Good. Let's go to the next sentence. I ate nothing since morning. And students will practice this a lot. Simran is there. Let's just see what Simran says.
I have eaten nothing since morning. The
Very
error
good.
is in the A part.
Very good. Very good. Bravo. Absolutely correct, students. I have eaten nothing since morning is absolutely correct sentence. Let's go to the next one. He is having many friends here. What should be the error here in this sentence? Again, Simran. Simran is working properly. All right, Simran.
Sir, he has many friends here. The error is in the B part.
Again, you are rocking, Simran. Bravo. Very good. Correct. He has many friends here. Now see, students, when have is used as a possession, it is not used in ing form. It is used in simple present tense. So it becomes he has many friends here. Let's go to the next sentence. When I went there, Charles is playing a game of chess. Srishti is the first to raise hand. Let's go to Srishti first. Let's see who is the advance. Srishti, unmute yourself. Now Srishti went, now it is Vani. Vani, raise your hand, Vani.
Sir, the
Come on.
error in the So the error in the A part, when I go there,
When I
when I go there, Charles
no,
is playing a game of chess.
no, that is wrong. Let's go to Simran then. Simran is raising hand.
Sir, the error is in
Hmm. What? Simran, speak loud.
Charles was playing.
Simran, unmute
the
yourself.
B.
What should be the
Sir,
error?
the error is in the B part. When I went there, Charles was playing a game of chess.
Very nice. Very good. Bravo, bravo. Really very good. So Simran is the correct here. Once again, because see the sentence started in the past, then it will remain in the past. So this is will be changed into was. That's correct. Let's go to the next sentence. The vaccine when hit the market is dosed by controversy. Mansi did it properly. Mansi, come on.
Sir, the error is in the B part. We should use which instead of when. The vaccine which hit the market.
No, Mansi, you are wrong here. The vaccine when hit means when refers to the time when it was launched in the market. This is referring to the time. Vaccine when hit the market means when it launched in the market. Sorry, let's go to next Simran. Simran.
Sir, the error is in the C part. The vaccine when hit the market was dosed by controversy.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Because hit is in the past. Vaccine when hit,
Yes,
this
sir.
refers to the past. And there's the same
Yes, sir.
error is in the option C.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Instead of is, there should be was.
Yes, correct. That's absolutely right. Lower down your hands, girls. Come on. Very nice of you all. Let's go to the next sentence. The victim tried to tell us what has happened, but his voice was not audible. What is the error? Simran again. All right.
The victim tried to tell us what was happened, but his voice was not audible. The error is in the B part. Instead of has, there should be was.
Simran, something is wrong actually.
Sir,
You,
the error is in the A part. Told.
okay, what? Come on, try. That's okay. Otherwise, Vanshika, let's talk to Vanshika also. Vanshika, unmute yourself.
The victim tried to tell us what had happened.
Absolutely correct. Has will be replaced by had. Why? Why, students? Because this is the past of past. Already past is given here. The victim tried. This is the past. Then the next part will be in the past of past, and that is past perfect. Then we need their had. Right? Very good attempt by all the students. Let's go to the next. Let me see the time actually. We need to see the time also. How much time we have? Students, we have very less time. Please be quick and fast. Read the next sentence. Last year, two Italian prisoners of war escaped from a prison camp in Kenya during the war. What is the error in the sentence, students? Simran, come on, Simran. Very good. Simran is really working hard.
Last 2 years, Italian princes of war escaped from a prison camp.
Very nice. Correct. Absolutely. Bravo.
Escaped.
Escapes will be changed into escaped. This will be the second form will be there because this is talking about the last year. Now let's go to the next. Madhuri Dixit is having a large fan following. What is the error in the sentence? Let's talk to another student, Simran. You are really rocking. Let's go to Somnath now.
Sir, the error is in option B. Sir, instead of is having, we have to use have, has.
Has, correct. Absolutely correct, Somnath. Very good. Simran, you must be agreed that he is absolutely correct. Has will use instead of is having We have already discussed on this, right? Let's go to the next sentence. No one heard anything about him since he left India for good. What is the error, students? Be quick. Whoever comes first will be given first chance to come in front of the live class. No one heard anything about him since he left India for good. Means not getting the error. Let me tell you, this is the since sentence. When the sentence is with since, this will be in the simple past and the other part will be in present perfect. So this will be no one has heard. You will write here has heard anything about him since he left India for good. So has will be added with heard. Now let's go to the next sentence. We have less time, students. Before the teacher could finish the question, the students gave the correct answer. Very good. This sentence is applied to you all. Students,
Before the teacher before the teacher would finish the question, the student gave the correct answer. Sir, the error in the B option B, we use would instead of could.
what would we use?
Would.
No, beta, that's wrong. Let's go to Simran. Simran is raising hand. Okay, Simran.
Sir, instead of could finish, there should be finished.
No. The teacher, before the teacher could finish the question, the students gave the answer. What you need to do before, when the two sentences are connected with before, one is in the simple past and second one is in the past perfect, right? So when the sentence immediately after before will be the simple past, the could is given giving the sense of simple past, this will remain same. The next one will be changed. Students had given the correct answer. Gave will be changed into had given. Could finish will remain same because this is giving the sense of the past. Right? Let's go to the next question, students. Let's see. She did not prepare her breakfast yet. That's very easy sentence. Vani is raising hand. Let's talk to Vani. Vani.
So there is no error in this sentence.
Oh my God, there is an error. Simran will tell you what is the error.
Sir, she did not prepared.
No, my God, Simran, how it is possible? With did you cannot put third form or second form. All right, we have Laksha also with us.
She has not prepared her breakfast yet.
Yes, absolutely correct. When yet is used, you use present perfect tense. So she has not prepared her breakfast yet. Let's go to the next sentence, students. Be quick. We have only 5 to 7 minutes left. Perhaps you don't know I am owning a farmhouse besides 2 bungalows. Come on, tell fast. Whoever comes first will be invited first. Somnath, correct. Come on, Somnath.
Sir, there is error in option B. Sir, because we don't use ing form with own.
Very good. Absolutely correct, Somnath. Bravo. This will be, perhaps you don't know, I own a farmhouse. Own is not used in ing form. Correct. Let's go to next. When Anand reached his village, he found that the news about him preceded him. What should be the error in the sentence, students? Raise your hand. Read in advance, practice in advance. This homework was given yesterday to you people to solve, but only some of the students have done it. Srishti is raising hand. Very good, Srishti. What should be the error in the sentence? Not audible.
Had
Srishti.
prepared whom will had
Preceded will
prepared
be.
whom will replace preceded him because when two events happen in the past, then past perfect tense is used with the event.
Very good. That's
And
correct.
the
This will become had
in the
preceded. Right? Absolutely correct. Let's go to next sentence. She will already return home when he arrives. What is the error in the sentence, student? She will already return. Simran is raising. Very good, Simran.
Sir, she already returned home when he arrived.
No, Simran, something is missing. Check it out. What is missing? Let's
She
go to Vashika. Come on, Vanchika.
When when
She,
he arrived.
no, 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 no.
No, no.
Vansi, come on, come on, come on.
She al- sir, there is a option is error because we use she will have already returned.
Yes, that's absolutely
She
correct,
will have
Shivani. She will have already returned home when he arrives. Will have already returned will be replaced by will already return. Right? All right, let's go to next sentence. Each one of them has have his share of joy and sorrow. What is the error in the sentence? Students, come on, keep telling me. We have got only 4 minutes left. Vani, raise hand. Good. Yes, Vani, what is the error?
sir,
4 minutes
this
left. Hmm.
sentence. Each of them has share of joy and sorrow. The error in the sentence B.
Error in the part B, but what is the error? Sorry.
Has one of them
Has,
has
has, had. After has, we use third form of verb, and this have is the first form of the verb. So we need to use here had. Each one of them has had his share of joy and sorrow. Correct this, students. Let's go to next. This custom has come down since times immemorial. This is a bit difficult, but Simran is raising hand. Let's see what Simran says.
This custom had been came down since times immemorial.
No, Simran, no. You are wrong in this sentence. Laksha is there. Laksha. Okay.
This custom had come down since times immemorial.
No way, man. That's wrong. Let's go to Swisti. Come on, Swisti. Come on, fast. We have really less time. Few
in
minutes.
from time immemorial will be praised since times immemorial because since is used for referring back to a previous point in the time.
Yes.
From
This
since
time,
time immemorial
since
for longer
time.
time than anyone can imagine.
Correct. Absolutely correct, Swisti. Since time immemorial. Let's go to next sentence. Very good. Simran is raising hand. Simran, come on.
Sir, error is in the B part of the sentence. Since his arrival in India, he has visited as many as he can.
B part. So
Visited.
he has visited as many villages as he can to acquire a first-hand knowledge of rural India. Absolutely correct. Good. Very good. So very good to all of you students. I think now there is no doubt, and we'll have a keep discussing because only these sentences were there to discuss. Vani is raising hand. Let's see what is she saying. Yes, Vani. Vani, do you want to
Sir,
say
in the
anything?
last sentence, we use he has been visiting.
Hmm. He has been visiting. Actually, you see, when I taught you people, there I taught you two things. When we feel like we don't feel comfort in the form of forming the sentences in ing with the present perfect continuous, that can be put in present perfect also. So this remains correct in both the forms. Absolutely correct in the form of like present perfect has been visiting, but has visited is also absolutely correct. So you just need to understand both the points, right? So that you can justify the things and can understand. All right, Vani, that's okay. That's enough for all of you students. Thank you very much for joining the class. And today's session was very interactive and interesting. Now, good students participated actively in the class, but we need more good students who can participate actively in the live discussion class. So make sure students be ready for this. Thank you very much for joining the class. See you in the next lecture.